Many Chang'an car models manufactured in China for the local market come with easy connection or Carbitlink systems instead of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. However, with the NCP0036 and NCP0039 adapters available on Aliexpress, you can seamlessly convert your car's multimedia system to support Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. These adapters are compatible with various Chang'an models, including the CS35 Plus, 2021 to 2024, CS15, 2021 to 2023, CS85, 2021 to 2023, Allsven, 2020 to 2023, and Hunter, 2019 to 2023. Once the adapter is installed, you can connect your iPhone or Android device wirelessly to your car's standard radio. This activation allows you to use popular navigation apps such as Yandex Navigator, with a Yandex Plus subscription, to GIS, Waze, Apple Maps, and Google Maps. Additionally, you can access instant messaging apps like WhatsApp and Viber, as well as stream music, podcasts, and other media directly from your phone. The benefits of integrating Apple CarPlay or Android Auto into your Chang'an car are numerous. The system supports certified apps from the App Store and Play Store, ensuring a safe and smooth user experience. The connection is automatic and wireless, meaning your phone can remain in your pocket or bag without needing a wired connection each time you enter the vehicle. Essential functions such as calls, SMS, and contact lists are displayed on the car radio screen for convenience. Moreover, you can listen to your favorite audio content from your phone through your car's multimedia system. With this adapter, you can enhance your driving experience by installing any Apple CarPlay-compatible apps from the App Store, making your car's multimedia system more versatile and user-friendly.